Have you ever found yourself drowning in 20 tabs, copy-pasting between tools, forgetting what you were doing 5 minutes ago? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you your web browser is about to become your personal assistant, research partner, task manager, and productivity coach, all rolled into one? Welcome to the era of AI-assisted browsers, and trust me, if you're still using Chrome or Safari the way you did 5 years ago, you're leaving serious productivity on the table. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm George, and I help you level up your digital life with the smartest tools in tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated revolutions in productivity, AI-assisted browsers. These aren't just your average search bar and bookmarks browsers anymore. These are smart, context-aware, and designed to save you hours every single week. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how AI browsers are changing the game, what they can do that traditional browsers can't, and of course, I'll show you a few game-changing tools you'll want to install immediately. And stick around till the end, because I'll reveal the one AI browser I personally use every single day. And it's not the one you think. Ready to reclaim your time and get more done in less time? Let's go. Let's face it, most of us are still using browsers like it's 2010. We Google something, open 15 tabs, skim through them all, copy text into a Google Doc, hop to Notion, then Slack, then maybe ChatGPT in another window. Sound familiar? It's a mess, and it's killing your focus. It's death by 1,000 tabs. The traditional browser is designed for browsing, but we don't just browse anymore. We work in our browsers. We research, write, plan, brainstorm, schedule, collaborate, analyze, all from one window. So why are we using browsers that weren't built for this kind of work? That's where AI-assisted browsers come in. So what exactly is an AI-assisted browser? Think of it as your current browser, but with a built-in AI brain that can summarize web pages while you read, auto-complete research for you, extract key data and notes as you scroll, answer questions without you switching tabs, help you write emails, blog posts, and code on the fly, organize everything you're working on without manual input, and all of this happens in real time as you browse. These aren't browser extensions. These are entirely reimagined browsers, built from the ground up to help you do more in less time. Let me show you what I mean. Let's start with a rising star, Arc browser. Now, Arc itself is already built differently. Sleek interface, sidebar tabs, spaces to separate projects. But when you layer in Arc's built-in AI tools, it becomes something else entirely. Imagine this. You're researching productivity techniques. You land on a 3,000-word blog post. Boom! Arc's AI summarizes the whole page for you in 3 bullet points. You highlight a section, right-click, and it gives you an instant rewrite or breakdown. Need to send it to your team? One click and Arc turns it into a concise email draft. It's like having a junior assistant living in your browser, reading with you, writing for you, and organizing your digital brain. And here's the kicker. Arc isn't just powerful, it's actually fun to use. Minimal distractions. Beautiful design. Everything feels faster and smoother. Now let's talk about Opera One, which comes with something called Aria AI built in. Think ChatGPT, baked right into the browser. Let's say you're doing competitive research for your business. Instead of flipping to ChatGPT or Google search, you just highlight text on a website and ask Aria questions like, what's the main value proposition here? How does this compare to competitor? Summarize this page in 5 bullet points. Aria doesn't just search, it understands context. It can even dig into your open tabs and help you analyze everything across multiple sites. And because it's native to Opera, it's fast. No loading delays, no extra login steps. If you're a content creator, marketer, researcher, student, or entrepreneur, this is a game changer. If you're someone who loves Notion, Roam, or Obsidian, you're going to love this next one. SigmaOS. SigmaOS is like a cross between a browser and a project management tool. You can split your browser into different workspaces, kind of like tabs with purpose. And its AI assistant helps you prioritize what's important, generate notes and tasks from the pages you're on, organize your research without ever leaving the browser, write responses, summaries, or documentation instantly. Need to summarize a 20-minute YouTube video? Sigma's AI does it for you. Writing an email reply based on what you just read? The AI drafts it in your tone. You don't need 10 tools anymore. With SigmaOS, your browser is the tool. Let me give you a few real-life examples of how these AI browsers are helping people work smarter. 1. The busy student. Emma's writing a research paper. Instead of reading 15 PDFs manually, she loads them into her AI browser. It pulls out citations, summarizes arguments, and even helps her outline her essay. She saves hours, literally hours, every week. 2. The solopreneur Josh runs a Shopify store. He uses Arc browser to manage product research, competitor tracking, and email outreach. The AI assistant helps him write product descriptions, SEO titles, and weekly newsletters, all without opening a new app. 3. The content creator Mariah is building her YouTube channel. She uses Opera One with Aria to summarize articles, generate video ideas, and write scripts faster. When she finds a trending post, Aria helps her instantly brainstorm hooks and titles. It's not about being smarter, it's about using smarter tools. Here's why AI-assisted browsers matter. You get focused, no more bouncing between tools. Everything happens in one place. You move faster. Summaries, notes, writing, replies, all automated. You stay in flow. Instead of breaking focus every 5 minutes, you stay locked in. You reclaim your time. 5 hours of research, done in 45 minutes, you work better, your ideas are sharper, your writing is clearer, your decisions are faster. Productivity isn't just about doing more, it's about removing the stuff that slows you down. AI browsers are built to do exactly that. Now I know what you're thinking. George, this all sounds amazing, but is it safe? Great question. Most AI browsers today are built with privacy-first frameworks. Many of them run locally or let you choose what gets sent to AI servers. In fact, some, like SigmaOS, give you control over what data the AI sees or stores. But here's the trick, always read the privacy settings. Always. It's like any tool, smart use comes with smart habits. Before you go installing everything, here's what to look for. Built-in AI, not just extensions. Fast interface with minimal distractions, workspace or project-based organization, note-taking and writing assistance, context-aware summarization, privacy controls and transparency, frequent updates from the dev team, and a clean, intuitive UI you actually enjoy using. Because the right browser should feel like a superpower, not a second job. Alright, so which one do I use? For me, it's a combo. Arc for deep research and distraction-free writing, SigmaOS for structured workspaces and outlining, and Opera One for casual browsing and quick summaries. But if I had to pick just one, right now, it'd be Arc. It's stable, beautiful, lightning fast, and when you add the right AI integrations, it becomes a second brain. The time I've saved? Insane. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go download one of these AI browsers and try it for a single work session, just one. Whether you're writing, researching, or replying to emails, see the difference. And if you're ready to supercharge your productivity even more, I've got links to my favorite tools, templates, and time-saving AI extensions down in the description. Some of them are completely free, some are affiliate links that support the channel at no extra cost to you, but either way, you'll be saving time, brain power, and frustration. So, what are you waiting for? If you found this helpful, smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithm. And if you want more deep dives like this into game-changing tools that actually help you work smarter, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I've got some huge videos coming on AI for content creation, productivity hacks, and the best browser setups for 2025. Drop a comment below. What browser are you using right now, and are you ready to switch? Thanks for watching, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.